Volunteers are being pre-screened for the trial of a COVID-19 vaccine at UC's College of Medicine, and that trial is scheduled to begin this month. Dr. Carl Fichtenbaum is the medical director of the COVID-19 vaccine trial at the University of Cincinnati, and he joins us this morning. Thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Fichtenbaum. We appreciate it.
Good morning.
So tell us a little bit about this trial that's going to start later this month.
Yeah, so we're very pleased to have a study of a new vaccine made by Moderna. They're a company from Cambridge, Massachusetts, and they're producing a vaccine that we hope will be effective for the treatment and for the prevention of COVID-19 disease. The study is going to start probably within the next week. And we are right now pre-screening individuals so that we can make sure that we prioritize and represent the city of Cincinnati in the study.
So I saw in the information that we received that 2,100 people had signed up to maybe take part in it, and you're going to be selecting 500. 2,100 seems like a lot of people to volunteer for this, is it?
Yeah, I mean, we certainly think that Cincinnati's a great community, and we know that our community wants to be part of a solution for COVID-19 disease. And so it's not surprising to me that many people are interested. We want to be sure that this represents the age range of people within the adult community within the Cincinnati area. And we also want to make sure that there's inclusion of all kinds of folks who represent our community and have been hard hit by the epidemic.
So tell me if you would, I was reading also in the information that it said that you're going to be monitoring the people who are part of the study for 2 years. So we've heard a lot about how a vaccine could be ready. You know, Dr. Fauci's been saying he's cautiously optimistic about a vaccine being ready early next year. So how long does development of a vaccine actually take?
Well, in order for us to determine how effective this is, we first vaccinate people and then watch them in the short term to see whether or not those people who actually get the vaccine develop infection or more severe disease. But then we want to know in the long run, how long will it be protective of people? And are there any side effects? So normally when you're doing a vaccine study, you do want to follow people for at least a year or two to see whether or not the effects of the vaccine last for longer than just a short period.
Okay, so we'll definitely be following this and hopefully talk with you maybe again in the next month or two to see how things are going. Dr. Carl Fichtenbaum, thanks so much for joining us this morning.
Thanks for having me on. Appreciate it.
From local